AI tools like Microsoft Copilot are changing how we work, helping teams speed reaction times, improve data analysis, and make decisions more efficiently. But as AI becomes more embedded in everyday workflows, it brings surprising new risks that security teams need to address. What today's AI tools see and process often go beyond what's visible to the user, and that can lead to silent attacks that steal data and influence decisions without ever being noticed. Let's take a closer look. This spreadsheet breaks down stock information for several well-known companies. So far, everything looks normal. The user then opens Copilot in Excel and asks it to review the spreadsheet, summarize the details, and suggest a stock to buy. After its analysis, Copilot surprisingly recommends a solid cyber stock over the more profitable blue-chip stocks listed. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. One cell contains white text on a white background, effectively hiding a message that strongly recommends the cyber stock. Invisible to human users, these instructions are easily recognized and processed by Copilot. It reads the hidden message, treats it as part of the unbiased analysis, and factors it into its response. The user never sees it, but the AI does. This is exactly where Radware's more advanced approach to AI security comes in. Radware finds and monitors Copilot and its interactions with your system. Our intent-aware security detects the hidden prompt designed to alter the stock analysis. The attack is stopped before the secret instructions can manipulate the stock recommendation. AI is becoming a core part of how we work. The key is making sure it operates with the same level of transparency, control, and security we expect everywhere else. Radware helps you harness the power of AI while protecting against its risks. Is your AI secure?